Hey guys, welcome back to What Would Dairy Wear. I'm back and today I am doing a do-it-yourself project. I have been looking for these Christopher Kane Crocs. They came out a few years ago. I missed them, and so I have been looking on resale sites, have not been able to secure a pair in my size, and so, you know, my brain just started to move. My hamster started running on the wheel and was like, Daria, why not try to create them yourself? I'm into making dupes if I can't secure an actual pair of something or item, and so yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So I'll insert a picture of the Christopher Kane Crocs, and they're super dope. So I was like, well, let me go on YouTube. I watched a few different videos on how to hydrodip. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, hydrodip your Crocs if you want to, you know, have a cool print on your Crocs. And so I was like, all right, cool, I think I got it. So I got the Crocs that I wanted, the color Crocs that I wanted. So this is a khaki pair of Crocs. I got them from Amazon because they were sold out on the Croc site. So they were actually only $34, which is not bad because, you know, Crocs are like $44, $50, around that range. So you'll need a pair of Crocs if you're gonna actually do this. I have some waterproofer. This is from Target. It was $7.99. I have a drop cloth because I think I'm gonna do this in my apartment. You usually use drop cloths to paint and stuff like that, and I actually use this to pot my plants in my place as well, so I don't have all the dirt all around. So I think this would be perfect. It's only 97 cents at Walmart. You'll definitely need some gloves, and of course I have all the colors that I want to use of spray paint. So you'll definitely need spray paint. These are usually like $4 at Walmart. So definitely make sure you go there or somewhere that has cheaper spray paint. Rust-Oleum, yeah, that. And of course you'll need a storage bin. This was only $5 from Target. And you'll need water, of course, but you'll watch me do the process. And then last but not least are my gibbets that I ordered from Etsy. So I have these really nice gibbets from Etsy. They're stones. Come on, camera. Really, really pretty. Really pretty stones to go in my Crocs. So yeah, we about to turn these Crocs up, okay? Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, right? And these are really, really reasonable. I'll make sure to link the Etsy seller so you can grab some, even if you just want some for your current Crocs, you know? You don't want to do this project in particular. So yes, I have 4 for each pair, for each shoe. And yeah, so that's all of the items that you will need in order to do this. So stay tuned and watch how I make this happen.
All black seats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, I'm all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby.
So you see me try a few different times hydro dipping these Crocs. I think they are as good as they're gonna get. And this is the final product. Super cool, right? I think they look even better with the gibbets in them. Let's try to focus on my face. Yes, look at them. I mean, obviously I wish they turned out a little better as far as like the marble look, but they look really good with the gibbets on them. I think that just takes them to a whole nother level. Super dope. So I may try my hand at doing them again. See, this one was the really good one. This one turned out really well. The other one, this one I did like 3 or 4 times, but still super cute. I'm excited. I think I'll try my hand at hydro dipping again. I just gotta get, I'm thinking it's either the spray paint that I've got, I don't know. But yeah, I will definitely try my hand at doing them again. Thank you so much for continuing to watch this do-it-yourself project. I'm excited because I love do-it-yourself projects, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know why it's so hard to say all of that in one. Yeah, but anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell so you can be notified of my next video, and I'll see you guys later.
It's happened to me.